Today we're looking at a monitor that completely redefines what ultra-wide gaming and productivity can feel like. The LG 49-inch UltraGear curved display is one of those setups that instantly transforms your workspace or gaming corner. The Dual-QHD resolution of 5120 by 1440 combined with a pronounced 1000R curve makes this more than a monitor. It's almost like stepping into a cockpit where everything wraps naturally around you. Performance is immediate and noticeable. A blazing 240Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond response time creates an ultra-fluid experience where motion is smooth and input feels instantaneous. Fast-paced shooters, racing games, and competitive titles all feel more precise. The difference is stark compared to traditional displays. Every movement is mirrored perfectly on screen, reducing motion blur and giving you the kind of responsiveness that competitive gamers dream about. The picture quality also stands out. With VESA DisplayHDR 1000 support, the brightness, contrast, and color accuracy elevate every scene. Highlights pop without clipping, shadows maintain depth, and colors feel more vivid. Games, movies, and even creative work like video editing or photo retouching look more lifelike. The display balances high performance with visual fidelity, making it as capable for work as it is for gaming. Connectivity has been designed with modern setups in mind. HDMI 2.1 ensures compatibility with next-gen consoles and high-bandwidth PCs. DisplayPort supports maximum refresh rates, and the 4-pole headphone output with DTS-HP. X enhances headphone audio, creating a more spacious soundscape for gaming or media consumption. Everything feels well thought out to provide a premium experience without compromise. The ultra-wide format also offers significant productivity benefits. With all that horizontal space, multitasking becomes seamless. You can run multiple apps side by side, gaming while streaming, editing videos with reference materials open, or even managing multiple chat windows without feeling constrained. The absence of a bezel in the middle ensures everything feels connected and immersive. One massive panel replaces the need for dual monitors, keeping your desk clean and your workflow smooth. Adaptive sync technology through AMD FreeSync Premium Pro reduces screen tearing, smooths out frame delivery, and enhances HDR tone mapping. Games look fluid even when frame rates fluctuate, and visuals remain accurate. This combination makes the monitor versatile for both competitive play and visually intensive titles. The design extends beyond performance. The stand offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, ensuring that such a wide panel can be positioned perfectly for comfort. The build is sturdy, keeping the monitor stable during intense gaming sessions. The black finish is sleek and modern, fitting in minimal setups or RGB-heavy gaming spaces without drawing unnecessary attention. Using a monitor of this scale changes expectations. Fast-moving games feel more controlled, cinematic titles feel larger than life, and productivity tasks gain more clarity and organization. Compared to smaller monitors, the difference is dramatic. Every window, timeline, and chat overlay feels natural and integrated, and the wraparound effect enhances immersion in ways that standard widescreens simply cannot replicate. Whether it's competitive gaming, open-world exploration, streaming, content creation, or just multitasking, this LG 49-inch UltraGear curved monitor delivers an experience that's unmatched. The combination of ultra-fast refresh rates, HDR brightness, massive real estate, and modern connectivity makes it one of the most versatile and immersive monitors available. For anyone looking to take their setup to the next level, it's worth serious consideration. For purchase, the link is provided in the description below.